D-Link router. So useful for the home wireless router. D-Link router is an upgrade to faster wireless network with better home coverage, advanced performance based on wireless N150 technology. Stream music, transfer files, surface web, and play online games. D-Link router is a wireless modem. Very easy to use home wireless modem is a very significant one for the home. D-Link wireless modem. This is the D-Link wireless modem installation guide. Very clearly mentioned how to use this wireless modem or connect to the computer. With all the feature installation details. This is the information and warranty card for the D-Link. This is a 1-year warranty. The modem, wireless modem. On-off switches and the incoming and outgoing details of the LED lights, and the back is the connectings. This is the connector, and it's also available with this modem, the connector. And power plug or is also available with this the modem. Very useful D-Link.